Yeah, but it leaves a smile on my face, and I'm hoping it does the same for her. To be with a lot of people that we know, but the first time magsama namin like this.
Ako ilang taon na akong umaalan ng formal Grand Ball. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon.
Kapartner. Nakakita-kita ang happiness sa inyong dalawa. And kami, we are very happy rin sa inyong happiness. And sana enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you very much.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
We'll see you inside.
See you inside. Luis Manzano and of course, Jessie Mendiola. Kapamilya, Colleen Garcia and Mr. Billy Crawford. Hi, good evening. Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Pepsi here.
Pepsi Herrera. Kayo po, dahil every year kayo nang magka-partner talaga sa red carpet. Ano ang nilulook? Every year na talaga. Ano ang nilulook forward ninyo dito sa 10th Annual Star Magic Ball natin?
Ako, it's always the same answer. I just love to see how dazzling everybody looks. And everyone tries to look their best. And pati yung mga glam team, and
Busy lahat.
exciting pa rin. Pero pati pa rin paano sa kanila. Ayan, that's what I would say.
I'm excited to be here.
Wow, as usual. Anong next? May plano na ba talaga na mag-kasal na ba ito?
One day. Malalaman na lahat.
Salamat, Billy and Colleen. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the evening. Hi, good evening. Mr. Raza, of course. Who are you wearing tonight?
Helen Shaw from Australia, but she's Filipina.
Wow. How about
Carolyn.
I have a question for you, Mr. Raza. Kanina magkasabay lumakad sa Sophia. At marami kasabi na sila nga daw ay talagang may something na daw talaga sa dalawang ito. What can you say about Sophia and Diego?
Talaga namang may something eh. Kasi sila yung binibuild up ng Star Magic. So, maganda na maging love team sila, hindi ba? At least nag-work sila together and they're working on that.
Thank you so much, Mr. Raza. Thank you so much. And enjoy the rest of the evening. Maraming salamat. And now, mga kapamilya, we have our Emmys nominee, Miss Jody Santamaria. Very beautiful tonight. I'm missing 30. Because last year, I remember you were with 30, Miss Jody. And tonight, we would like to ask, who are you wearing?
I'm wearing
Wow, you're very international from the South itself. Hindi dyan. Hindi ko na kaya to. Hanggang dito na tayo. Miss Jody, dapat wala kang partner ngayon. Hindi mo piniyaya si Goblin dyan.
Actually, nandito sa loob. Nagtatago, anak lumabas ka.
Miss Jody, ito po, syempre malapit na ang awarding ng Emmy. Ano po ang nararamdaman ninyo sa papalapit po ng kaganapan for the Emmy?
Well, I'm very excited. Kasi tayo, syempre, meron din naman yung kaba. Pero mas lumalabang yung excitement. Kasi hindi naman everyday na nakakapunta tayo sa nomination natin sa international.
Thank you so much, Miss Jody. Enjoy the rest of the evening and see you later. I love you so much. Miss Jody Santamaria, mga kapamilya. Nico, who are you wearing tonight?
House of Bea Bianca.
House of Bea Bianca. Wala kang date, why?
Wala. Busy si Yas.
Busy si Yasi. Sayang, in-invite mo pa naman si Yasi, pero busy siya. Thank you, Nico. Maraming salamat. Kapamilya, live na live pa rin po tayo ngayon via facebook.com/ABS-CBN Network. Mula kaninang magsimula po, kitang-kita po ninyo at ibinibigay po namin sa inyo ang all-access na kaganapan dito sa red carpet ng the 10th Annual Star Magic Ball. Hi, Gretchen. Who are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Albert and Black.
Bakit hindi kayo magkasamang lumabas o lumakad ni Robbie Domingo ngayong gabi?
Sadly, he has another date for tonight.
Ha? Totoo ba? May iba siyang date tonight? So hindi ka ba niya in-invite?
Si Kuya yung date niya. Kasi may workshop tonight.
Oh,
PBB eviction night.
Nagulat naman ako doon. Akala ko talaga may ibang ka-date itong si Robbie talaga na. Tense naman talaga ako doon. At namin nagsasabi na kami doon magkapatid kasi Gretchen ho and Jai ho. Lagi nila ako niloloko. Miss Gretchen, thank you.
Kaya pala ganda mo din.
Naman. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng sabihin ng kapatid si Gretchen tapos hindi ako maganda. Thank you so much, Miss Gretchen.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the evening. Maraming salamat. Danielle Matsunaga and Erich Gonzalez, mga kapamilya, ang Be My Lady Stars ay makakasama natin ngayon, live na live. /ABS-CBN Network. At aalamin natin ngayon kung sino ang may gawar Magic Ball. Diba? Hi, good evening. Danielle Matsunaga and Erich Gonzalez. Who are you wearing tonight?
We are both wearing Pepsi Herrera, by Kat Sobermega and makeup and hair, Arby Chanko and Archie Philippines.
Pang ilang Star Magic Ball niyo na together?
Well, this is the second year together, but first year as a super couple.
Ngayon, super couple na talaga. Galing sa inyo from super couple. Kailan naman ang super special day?
Kasi
Kasi di ba,
super ganda yung girlfriend.
wow.
Thank you naman. Ikaw rin, super guwapo po.
Kailan ang super special day nyo naman kung may super couple na tayo? Kasi white, tapos suit, parang pangkasala ng datingan. May mga ganun na bang plano?
Yes, meron.
Oo, may plano na. Nagsabi ko na pag-usapan nyo na to.
Oo naman, pero for now, we will focus on my lady.
Of course, congrats.
Work muna, ipon muna, tapos siyempre may plans kami.
We'll get there, hopefully. In God's time.
Jesus name.
Thank you, Erich and Danielle Matsunaga. Congratulations sa Be My Lady. Ayan, talaga isa sa pinaka mataas na ratings tuwing umaga ang pilabas ng Be My Lady talaga naman. Erich Gonzalez, very beautiful, and Danielle Matsunaga. Marika Reyes and Richard Poon, mga kapamilya, is also in the house. Pero syempre, puputulin muna natin ang inyong panunood. Kita-kits tayo again later dito lang sa facebook.com/ABS-CBN Network. Ako pa rin po si Jai Ho.